Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Today we are going to do English Standard 5 poem What a Bird Thought. The poem What a Bird Thought tells us how a bird perceives its world when it is in its shell. It perceives, understands, becomes aware the world to be small and round and made of pale blue shell. When it comes out of its shell into its nest, it perceives the world to be made up of straw. When it grows a little and learns to fly, it perceives the world to be made up of leaves. Now that it has grown up and can fly extremely well, it has left its little home, the nest and the tree, and flies wherever it wants to. And when it sees the vast blue sky, the bird is unsure what the world is really made up of. Hence, the bird wants to find out from us what the world is really like. So, here we're going to do the poem What a Bird Thought. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. So here the bird which is living, it is inside the egg, the small and round and made of pale blue shell. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. So the little bird was resting in the nest and he did not need any other to be in its nest. And it lived there very happily. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. So here we have the images of the nest and the little one is covered by the mother by taking care. Here are the images of the nest which is made from the straw. The straw nest which is very well for them to stay, and the mother is taking care of the little one. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. So here the bird was just fluttering and was wanting to see what it could see outside the nest and how was the world. And when it saw, it was green in color. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. So the bird here, when it is out of its nest and it's seen all greenery, he thinks that he was really blind. The world was made of leaves and he was very happy to see the greenery. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. So here the bird flew up into the sky beyond the trees and saw the sky blue, and he flew with freedom into the sky and was happy. And now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell you. Can you? So here the bird is very much in surprise. First he lived in a small round pale blue shell. Next was the nest which was made of straw. The next he fluttered in it and which was made of leaves, the world. And then when he flew above the tree, beyond the tree into the blue sky, he was really astonished to know how the world, and he wants us to know how the world is. Now, here is the glossary means meanings and question answers you are supposed to note down in your notebooks. The next question, answer the following. What was the bird's first house? The answer is on to the next image.